Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss about the angular speed, angular momentum and time period of a satellite which is orbiting around the earth. So first coming to the angular speed of a satellite. Angular speed omega. So before going to this angular speed omega, first we have to take into consideration the orbital velocity of the satellite. So orbital velocity V0 equal to root over gm by r. Root over gm by r is the orbital velocity of a satellite, and this r, small r, is nothing but capital R plus h. So that is small r, and this small r is called orbital radius. This is the orbital radius. So, and angular speed omega equal to V0 by r, where V0 is the velocity or orbital velocity. So we'll get root over gm by r. So if you take this r to this root, it will become square. So we will get root over gm by r cube. R square into r cube. So this is the angular speed. Angular speed omega equal to root over gm by r cube. Now let us see the angular momentum. Angular momentum is indicated with L. So angular momentum L equal to m v0 r, mass into orbital velocity into radius r. So we'll get m, and we had already orbital velocity v0 equal to root over gm by r into r. So if you bring this m and r into the root, both will become, this will become m square and this will become r square. So we will get g m small m square r square by r. So now cancel this r and r, we will get root over gm m square r. So this is the angular momentum. Or we can do one more thing. This r, small r, can be written as capital R plus h, no? So L equal to root over gm m square r plus h. And here if h is much more less than the radius of the earth, if the h is much more less than the radius of the earth, then simply we can write this as r. That means root over g m small m square into r. And here from the relation of capital G and small g equal to gm by r square, no, and gm equal to gr square. So instead of this gm we can write gr square. So g, here one more r is there, so gr cube m square. So the angular momentum L equal to root over gr cube m square. So these all formulas can be considered for the angular momentum of a orbiting satellite. And next, coming to the time period. Time period of a orbiting satellite, t equal to 2 pi by omega. So already we had omega here. Omega value as root over gm by r cube, or this can be written as gm by r plus h whole cube we can write. So this can be written as t equal to 2 pi into, see, this is in a denominator, this value, so it will be reciprocal here. That means root over r plus h whole cube by gm, and this is the time period of a satellite which is orbiting around the earth. And if I consider the height of the satellite is minimum, so the minimum height of the satellite can be 100 kilometers. If it is 100 kilometers from the surface of the earth, then the height of the satellite is said to be minimum. So if it is minimum, this formula will become 2 pi into, see, as this r plus h will be nearly equal to r. So 2 pi into root over r cube by gm. So like that we can find out the time period of a satellite. See, these values are known values. We know the radius of the earth, we know the mass of the earth, we know the capital G value also. So by placing all that values, we can get the time period of a satellite. Time period of a satellite which is at a minimum height is some 84.5 minutes. So in 84.5 minutes, the satellite will have its revolution around the earth. And here, if you consider the satellite height, the minimum height is 100 kilometer, and if the height of the satellite increases from the surface of the earth, and these things will happen. What happened? As the height increases, the potential energy will increase. And as the height increases, kinetic energy will decrease. As it is going away from the surface of the earth, the kinetic energy will decrease. And as the kinetic energy decrease, velocity also will decrease. So the velocity of the satellite also will decrease. And period of revolution will increase. So if you consider here, the period, that means the distance what it is going to cover will be long. So the period of revolution will be long, will be more, increase. And coming to the total energy will remain constant. As it is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy, the total energy remains constant. So these are the factors happen when a satellite is increasing its height from the surface of the earth.